Thank you for tuning in. Today is going to be I'll try to keep it short. This one, I'm going to be sharing a couple of the new Canva AI features. I think they're super cool and they're definitely going to make things a lot easier for us creators. Let's get into it. So Canva, about less than a month or so ago, introduced a bunch of new design, and they have this Canva AI. So on your home screen, you'll notice there's a couple of new features, and this one is Canva AI. So we're gonna do a bit of testing today. Okay. So, how about we choose design for me? And it says here that we're going to it says to describe your idea and I'll bring it to life. So, what I want to do is create a graduation invitation. I think that one's going to be super, super cool. So I'm going to go ahead and type in whatever it is that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and say create a graduation. Oops, I think I spelled that wrong. Graduation invitation. That is 8 by 11. Is it 8.5? 8.5 by 11 in size. Theme is let's go with a black and red. And then we're going to go ahead and add some more details about this graduation invitation that I'd like to create. It's for Mia, who is graduating from college. And then we're going to add June 25th, 2025. Let's add some more detail, 5 p.m. Location, I don't know, Ministers Hall. Toronto. We're going to just keep it super simple. So you just kind of type in whatever it is that you're looking and, let's see what happens. We're going to hit the submit button. And when I hit that submit button, I just noticed that there was a mic. So I didn't really need to type all that out. I could have just said what I needed to. Either way, we've got a couple of options here. So it has provided me with 4 different options, and I can look into all of them. But right off the bat, I think I am liking this first one. Let's look at that. And it's already telling me it's Mia's college graduation invitation. It has the date, the location, what time it starts, and it's telling you to join us to celebrate Mia's achievement. Now, come on, AI and Canva, mwah, this is chef's kiss. And I can go ahead and use Canva Editor. So once I click that, I automatically bring that design right into Canva. I can go ahead and, ungroup it. I can change the color, the font, and all that other fun stuff that we would typically do when we do a design. But what AI has done now, it has really started everything for us, and all we need to do is edit as we see fit. We can, drag maybe Mia's picture in here or whatever the case may be. All right. Now let's move on. We're going to look at another AI feature. We're going to go ahead and click again on Canva AI. And let's see, what should we do? I think I wanted to create an image. Okay, so we're going to click the second one. It says create an image. This was a past one that I had done here about an hour ago or so. So let's choose a brown dog sitting on a porch swing near a beautiful garden. Okay. Um, and let's hit submit. Let's see what type of images Canva will come up with. I think it's probably going to be super cool. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, sometimes you might get an image that's not so perfect, but for the most part, it is pretty good. Look at this one. This is really good. And of course, we can go ahead and click open in editor and we can add text to that or whatever it is that we're looking to add. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead. We're going to test out one other AI feature that just got rolled out. And we're going to say draft a document. So I'm going to go ahead and ask Canva AI to create a blog for me. Okay. And let's go ahead and create a blog on the health benefits of green tea. Add images and make it 2,000 to 3,000 words. And let's hit submit. Let's see what type of document. It takes a little bit of time, and we may get one option or we may get a few. It really depends. I think this is just gonna save us so much time. It's crazy. All right, so it did produce one document. So let's click on that. And right away it tells it has its heading, the health benefits of green tea. There's an introduction. It talks about, it just gives you a really, of course, with AI, you need to verify all the information that it's going to provide here. But this looks pretty darn good. And then, of course, you can go ahead and use Canva Editor. So that takes that information and drag it in for you. And, you can go ahead, of course, and make your edits. If you don't like the image that was created, you could even ask it to recreate it. Or if there's a banner of some sort that you want to add, you can go ahead and do so. You can go ahead and if there's a part that you don't want, you can go ahead and edit that. So today I've shown you 3 of the new features that Canva just rolled out. I hope you're definitely going to check it out. There's a ton more, and I'll create a couple other videos on that. But for now, 3 Canva AI features that I think you should definitely take a look at. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.